Delivery.com promo codes how to use. So if you want to use promo codes on delivery.com, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now what you have to do is simply go ahead and then first open your browser and go to delivery.com. The first way that you can use a promo code is by after you log in, you can see the promo code icon from the top right hand side where you can see the available promos and click on apply promo. Or you can also click on your profile icon and simply go to promos to be able to apply it. The second way you can apply it is that you can do this during the checkout process when you're checking out your order. So click on the cart icon from the top right hand side, review your order, and from reviewing page, you want to simply proceed to the checkout process. When you're on the checkout page of your order, you'll find an option where it says promo code. So here you can see a box that says promo code where you simply have to enter your promo code in this case, and once done, you should be able to go ahead and click on apply code and proceed to checkout to apply the promo code. This way you'll be able to apply or use promo code on delivery.com. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.